टर्मिनल 1D।
1D नहीं जा पाऊंगा ही मैं।
क्यों नहीं जा पाओगे? तो अपन लोग जा रहे हैं ये चर्च गेट।
इसको पूरा खराब करते, साउंड इतनी तेज बात कर रहा है।
Dude.
In the last week of August, I flew to Mumbai to meet my friends. It had been a while since I saw their faces. This is the video journal of Bloop in Mumbai.
निहाल
मूतने गया वो। He's doing a pee-pee. Somebody so. Long sheet bolt was small tilt. Long bolt is the small tilt. Hey guys, say hi. Say hi to this gigantic camera on my face.
I got my favorite mod. Are you ready?
तुझे पता है मेरे mods क्या करेगा?
गया भाई. Look. Start मत कर.
Fuck.
Obstacle race, no?
Nice.
Why
What happened, dude? Why are you ugly now?
Fuck you, South.
See how sad this guy is. He's like, I deserved it so much more. Goddamn
This guy was
mom.
the fastest guy in my class.
See, that's why he's so
I beat the
upset.
shit out
He's
of
like,
him.
who is this monkey boy that's coming into my life?
Sure.
कोई क्या कलर एल मकर रहे हैं?
Aw, look here.
Your face was symmetric as a baby.
Yeah, dude, your sister.
What happened?
It has this like, yeah, it's like I have a raging boarder, okay?
In your assembly.
No, I don't stand up. I'm sitting here.
पॉपकॉर्न तो हाथ का मेरा लगा है।
4 years we lived together. Stuck by each other's side for 4 years. 4 years is a long time. It's 1460 days. Imagine seeing a face for the majority of 1460 days, then having to say goodbye. Sucks, doesn't it? I don't hate goodbyes. I kinda like them. They're a beginning to when you'll see the person next. A reset button on the stopwatch of life, if you may. But there's no number on the stopwatch. There isn't any certainty. But there's hope. Hope that you'll see a friend. Hope that you'll make a new one. We're surrounded by connections waiting to be made, but we always come back home. Home is family. Friends are family. Like family, friends make you feel strong, invincible, confident, fearless even.
This guy is like a minimalist.
Also, it's so
But what do you do once you're away from family? Once you're the only one in the house? You lock the doors, clean the house, and leave. Leave with the stopwatch on reset. Leave with hope in your head and your hand on your heart, waiting to see your family.